Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dhammang saranang gacchami, Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami, Dutiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi Buddhang Saranang Gacchami. Tatiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami. Tatiyampi Sanghang Saranang Gacchami. Panatipata Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Adinadana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Kamesu Miccācara Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Musawada Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Suramera Raya Majapamadatthana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Imani Pancha Sikkhapadani Samadhiyami. Imani Pancha Sikkhapadani Samadhiyami. Imani Pancha Sikkhapadani Samadhiyami.
Okay, thank you, sister. Thank you. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. We welcome all of you back to the session. Okay, anyway, for the benefit of the newer ones, this is already on the 13th class. We will finish Ratana Sutta to end chapter 2. Then we will go back for the basic again. We'll start chapter 3 for new beginners again. And those of you who wish to do the revision can join us again for chapter 3. We'll start with the Pali alphabets from then, so that it's easier for you all to catch up. Then once you're ready, then you can join the Thursday class. Thursday class, we do different suttas. So we have got 2 sessions. We got the Wednesdays and Thursdays. Then practice session is on Friday. We have the Bojanga on Friday. That means you come and chant on Friday. Friday, nobody will be checking you. You just chant only, don't worry. Okay. Okay, so we'll go on. We will continue with our Ratana Sutta. Okay, we'll do a quick revision on standard 6. Then we will continue with 7, 8, and I hope we will able to finish. Or I don't think we can, but we try. Okay. Okay, I shall recite once for you all. I think since this is the revision one, so we will just recite once. Ye puggala atta satang pasatta chattari etani yugani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka ete sudhinnani mahappalani idang pisange ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu. Okay lah, one more time lah. Ye puggala atta satang pasatta chattari etani yugani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka ete sudhinnani mahappalani idang pisange ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu.
Ye puggala atta satang pasatta chattari etani yugani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka ete sudhinnani mahappalani idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sacena subati hotu.
Okay, that was very good, sister. Very good. Except a small comment. Except that your long E's, you've forgotten your long E's. Okay. First long E is second line. Chatari etani. Etani, not etani. Etani. Okay. Second long E will be
Tani etani.
yes, then below that is te dakineya, te dakineya.
Te dakineya.
Yes, and the last one is etesu dinani, etesu.
Etesu dinani.
Yes, yes. So with that, excellent, Sister. Huh? Just you forgot your long E's only. Okay, who's number 2?
Ye pugala atha satang pasatha Chatari etani yogani honti te dakineya sugatasa savaka ete sudinani mahapalani idampi sanggirattanam panitang etena sachena subati hotu.
Okay, that was also very good, Sister. Very good for
Thanks for your
newcomer,
encouragement.
But remember your double consonant. The first line, pukgala. Don't forget, pause at double consonant. Pukgala. Okay.
Gala, okay, thanks.
Then also the last word there, pasat.
Pasat.
Yes. So
Pukgala.
ye pukgala atta
Pukgala.
satang pasata. Don't forget the atta also. Sister Sumitra has actually put the oblique line for you there. So don't forget all your double consonant,
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, okay. Otherwise, it was very good, sister. Don't worry.
Ye puggala atta sattang pasatta chattari etani yugani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka ete sudinnani mahapalani idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvanti hotu.
Suvatti hotu.
Suwatti hotu.
Yes, excellent, sister. No other comments. Very good.
Thanks.
Ye bukkala atta satang pusatta chattari etani yogani honti te dakineya sugatassa savaka ete sudinani mahapalani idang pisangge rattanang panitang etena sachena subati hotu.
Okay, brother, your last 2 lines are very good. You forgot your long vowels and your long A vowels,
Okay.
Okay, you forgot your A with the dash on the top with the diacritical mark. Ye puggala atta satang pasata. Don't forget.
Okay.
On the long A's. Okay, and then you have got chattari. So you don't forget all your long vowels, Chattari, etani. Long E again and long A. Etani. So you have slipped on all your long vowels. Don't forget your long A's,
Okay. Okay. Thank you
Otherwise,
very
it's
much.
very good. After a long time, we did not hear from you, so it's very good. Okay. Well done, Dr. Cheng Lung.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ye puggala atta satang pasata chattari etani yugani honti te dahineya sugatasa savaka etesu dinani mahapelani idampi sangge ratanang patnitang etena etena saccena subati hotu.
Okay, that was also very good, sister. Very good. Huh? Okay, you practice, then you become very smooth lah. Once you are familiarized with the words, then smoother. Like example, the word savaka, savaka.
Sabata,
Yes,
sabaka.
that's right. Yeah, third line. Third line, last word.
Hmm.
Dakineya sugatassa savaka. Once you are familiar with the words, then it becomes very smooth lah. Don't worry.
Okay.
But otherwise, your pronunciation was quite accurate throughout lah. That was very good.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Now it is Sister Lai, number 6.
Okay, number 6. Okay. Ye pugala ata satam pasata chatari etani yugani honti te dakineya sugatasa savaka etesu dinani mahapalani idampi sangge rattanang patnitam etena sachena suwati hotu.
Okay, for a first timer, again, it was very good, sister. Except remember, for us, it's our M with a dot. Okay, look at the right hand side of your screen. The Sumitra has put a note. M with the dot below, or sometimes you put M with the dot on top, and N with the dot on top, they are pronounced as NG.
Oh, okay.
Okay, example, the first line, the word is S-A-T-A-M with a dot. So it becomes satang.
Oh, okay.
Not satang. Yeah.
Not satam,
No, satang.
Satang.
Yes, yes. N with the dot below is not NG. N has got N is a very special consonant. M top and bottom dot also NG, but for N is different. When we come, we will tell you. N has got a special top, on the top is NG, but below it's still an N again. Okay?
Okay, all right. Thank
Very
you.
good. Very good, sister.
Okay, nama budaya. Ye pukala atha satam pasata chatari etani yogani honti te datineya sugatasa sawaka ete sudinani mahapalani idampi sangke ratana panitam etena sachena suwati hotu.
Okay, well done, sister. Except again, now in April we are starting the chapter 3 for beginners again, where we will cover the Pali alphabets lah. You are not very familiar yet. Like M with the dot, like I said just now, M with the dot below we pronounce as NG, and N with the dot on top above is also NG. Okay, and then don't forget the double consonant. All these we will learn in chapter 3 lah. We will start all over again from the basic lah, from the very basic of understanding the Pali phonetics first. So okay, you have difficulty because we are not familiar with the Pali phonetics. Example, yeah, we have to drag the E, which I will explain again in April. First week of April we're starting lah. So yeah is always long E, so it's always yeah. Not ye. Ye, E is always long. Okay, now below that, Sister Sumitra has put the long vowels. A with a diacritical mark on the top, I with a diacritical mark on the top, U with a diacritical mark on top are all long vowels. That means you go A, E, U. Sorry. So for E and O, automatically they are long. You don't put the diacritical mark. E is definitely A and O is O. So to apply this principle on the first word, Y-E is ye. Ye pugala. Then you must drag the la again. And then double consonant, we pause. Sister Sumitra has put a line there. So you must pronounce Pugala. Not Pugala, no. It should be Pugala Atta Satang Pasatta. So that's how we use our Pali alphabets. That's how we pronounce. So once you're familiar with this, then it becomes very good because I can see that you have very good flair in chanting. So okay, I will just demonstrate again the first line for you. E is a long E, A long A, and double consonant, you notice I will pause, and M I pronounce as NG. First line, Ye Pugala Atta Satang Pasatta. Correct? So all these are used lah. Chattari etani yugani honti. Okay, the I with nothing is short I. E. Chattari etani yugani honti. So it becomes very short lah. But if the I has got the diacritical mark on the top, then becomes long I. Example, let me see some long I's here. Okay. You go to the 2, 4, 5th line. 5th line, last word. There's a long I there. So you pronounce Panitang. Okay. Idang pi. Short I. Idang pi. Sangge Ratanang Panitang. So there's a difference between the first one. Idang pi will be short I. Idang pi sangge Ratanang Panitang. There's a long I there. Otherwise, your pronunciation was very good, sister. Okay? Okay. The meaning of this stanza we have covered last week. We will not cover this time. We'll go to stanza number 7.
Okay, sadhu, brother.
We are also learning the meaning of the suttas. We are not chanting it as a ritual. Our purpose is to understand the suttas because all the teachings of the Buddhas are in the suttas. All are presented in the sutta format. The teachings of the Buddha are kept in this pristine state through chanting. That's called the Bhanaka system. And all of these are kept in the pristine state by word of mouth, and they are written in the sutta format. All the teachings are in the sutta format. Okay, we go to stanza number 7. Then I shall explain the meaning of stanza number 7. Ye supayut manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanam hi te patipatta amatang vigaiha ladda muda nibbuting bunjamana idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena Cena subati hotu ye supayutta manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanam hi te patipatta amatang vigaiha ladda muda nibbuting bunjamana idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu ye supayutta manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanam hi te patipatta amatang vigaiha ladda muda nibbuting bunjamana idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu.
Ye supayutta manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanam hi de patipatta amatang vigeha lada muda nibbuting bunjamana idampe sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu.
Okay, very good. The last two lines was very good. No comments. Okay, then we come to the second line. You've forgotten your long A there, last word. Sasanam hi.
Sasanang hi.
Yes, and then the next line. Te patipatta amatang vigai her. Okay, the G-A-Y is guy, guy her. It's pronounced as I lah, G-A-I lah. Vigai her.
Ite patipatta amatang vigai her.
Excellent, sister. Then again, another word there is ladda muda. Don't forget ladda muda niputing bunjamana. Okay, pause at the bunjamana.
Lada muda
Okay.
niputing bunjamana.
Yes, bunjamana, because the end with the muruku is pronounced as NG, but because she stands alone there, so you just make sure that we go bunja, bunja, bunja. So bunjamana. Okay, well done, sister. Very good.
Thank you.
Ye supayuta manasa dalhena dikamino gotama sasanamhi te patipata amatang bigay he lada muda niputim punjamana idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Yeah, okay, well done, sister. Except for line number 3, you're not familiar with the words, that's all. Don't worry, but once you're familiar, it'll be good, Okay, so I shall do for you number 3. Te pati patta, don't forget, pati patta amatang vigai her. H-A is her, short A.
Okay.
Te
Te patipata, sorry, te patipata amatang bigay he,
Vigai her.
bigay he.
Yes. I is short. Remember, there's a short
Yes.
I in here. Okay, well done, sister. Very good.
Ye supayutta manasa dalhena Nikamino Gotama Sasanang Hi Te Patipatta Amatang Vigaiha Lada Muda Nibuting Bujamana Idang Pesangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suvati Hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. Very good. Practice ini lah. Then will be very smooth. You got all the words correct. Very good.
Ye supayutta manasa dalhena nikamino gotama sasanang hi te patipatta amatang vigai he latta muda nipunting bunjamana idang bisangge ratanang panitang etena sachena sutvati hotu.
Very good, brother. Very good. Just a minor comment. Minor one. Third line. Fourth word. Amatang. Amatang is short A, short A, short A. Amatang vigai her.
Amatang vigai her.
Yes. All three are short A's.
Okay.
Don't drag any of the A. Amatang vigai her. Okay, well done.
Okay, thank you, Brother.
Ye supayutta manasa dahena nikamino gotama sasanang hi te patipatta amatang vigaiha lada mudani muting monjamana idampi sangge ratanang patintang etena sajena subati hotu.
Okay, well done, sister. Okay, we touch on only second line. The last word, sasanam hi, Gotama sasanam hi.
Gotama sasanam hi.
Well done. Then we go to the fourth line. Again, the last two words here. Niputing bunjamana. Oh, sorry. Niputing bunjamana.
Nebuting bunjala mana.
Yes. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Okay. Ye supayuta manasa dauhena nikamino gotama sasanang hi te patipatta amatang vigaiha lada muda niputin punjamana idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena sachena suwati hotu.
That was very good, sister. Almost excellent lah.
Thank you.
Except minor thing here is bunjamana, long A, mana.
Punjamana.
Yes. Otherwise, it was excellent, sister. It was very good.
Okay, thank you.
Ye supayutta manasadahena nikamiko gotama sasanamhi te patipatta amatam vigeha latamuda niputim punjamana idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena sachena suwati hotu.
Okay, was very good, sister. You forgot your long A only. The first line, manasa, not manasa, manasa dalhena.
Okay. Manasahena.
Okay, manasa dalhena.
Manasadahena.
Yes, then the second line. Okay, we go through the whole line. Nikamino Gotama sasanam hi. Long A sasanam hi. Okay?
Nikamiko
Mino. N-O is no.
Okay.
Nikamino Gotama sasanam hi.
Nikamiko gotama sasanamhi.
Yes, and the third line, te patipatta amatang vigaiha.
Te patipatta amatang vigaiha.
Yes. Okay, focus on that. Otherwise, it was okay. It was very good.
Okay, sadhu.
Okay, so we have, thank you. Okay, so we have finished. Okay, now we go to the meaning. What does this stanza say? This stanza says, you can read the English word there. I read for you. With a steadfast mind, applying themselves well in the dispensation of Gautama, free of passion, they have attained to that which should be attained, encountering the deathless. They enjoy the peace of Nibbana, freely obtained. Verily, in the Sangha is this precious jewel. By this truth, may there be happiness. Okay, the first line, with steadfast mind, applying themselves well in the dispensation of Gautama. What the meaning is, these monks that the Buddhas are referring to, these Arya monks, okay, they have got very steadfast mind. They have really cultivated themselves in such a way that their mind has become very firm and very steadfast. Why? Through applying the teachings of the Buddha, dispensation of Gautama. Buddha is from the Gautama clan. In Sanskrit, you call it Gautama, but in Pali, we say Gautama. Okay? So that the dispensation of Gautama is the teachings of the Buddha. So this group of monks, they have cultivated their mind to be firm and steadfast through the application of the Buddha's teaching, dispensation of Gautama, free from passion. Okay, now they are free from passion. Passion means they're free from greed, free from hatred, free from greater and delusion. Okay, they are free from passion because most of this is through our passion, through our emotion that we get greed, then we become hateful and we become delusion. So free from passion means they have overcome the three poisons. That is our target in life. Okay, so what does that mean? That means they have attained to what which should be attained. So the Buddha says these monks have attained what they should be attained, encountering deathlessness. Deathless means they have achieved Nibbana. There's no more death for them. Okay, no more death means no more birth. Correct? Okay, in Buddhism, no death means no birth lah. Because if there's birth, there is death. Okay, there is the Paticca Samuppada, of course lah. So now these people have encountered, they have applied themselves well in the teachings of the Buddha. Now they are free from passion. They are free from greed, hatred, delusion. They have attained what? They have attained and encountered deathless, meaning they enjoy the peace of Nibbana. Okay? Freely obtained. This Nibbana, no need to buy one, no need to get special passport. As long as you cultivate your mind, that is a passport. Okay? So the Buddha says, verily in the Sangha is this precious jewel. The Sangha is actually a very precious jewel. By this truth, may there be happiness. So that's what the Buddha is saying. Okay? So the teachings are actually based on all this. But of course, I did not elaborate more on free or passion and all those things. Of course, when you do your sutta study, we will focus on this kind of things. Okay, we go to the next stanza. If any question you are not sure, you can ask me. You can stop and ask us. Yatinda kilo pataving sito siya chatup bivate bi asampakampiyo tatu pamang sapurisang vadami yo arya satchani avecca passati idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu yatinda kilo pataving sito siya chatup bivate bi asampakampiyo tatu pamangsap purisang vadami yo arya satchani avecca passati idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu. Okay, I'll go at normal speed now. Yatinda kilo pataving sito siya chatup bivate bi asampakampiyo tatu pamangsap purisang vadami yo arya satchani avecca passati idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu.
Yatinda kilo pataving sito siya chatupi vatebi asampa kampiyo tatu pamang sapurisang vadami yo arya satchani avecca passati idampe sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu.
Okay, so that was very good. Now, only two small little comments here. Your first line, you forgot your long I. Yatinda kilo.
Yatinda kilo.
Yes. Bataving sito siat. Okay, you are fine with that. The next line, you forgot another long A here. Chatuk bi vate bi asampakampio vate bi.
Vatebi.
Yes. Long A, long E. You forgot your long A. Huh? Okay,
Okay.
sister, very good. The rest are okay, sister.
Thank you.
Yatinda kilo pataving sito siya Chatu vivatebi asampakampiyo tatupamang sapurisang vadami yo ariya satcheni avecha pasati idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Okay, sister, that was also very good. Only okay. Your first line, you forgot your short I. Sia, okay, sito, sia.
Ay, sito siya.
Yes, even sia, short I only, and then again there. Chatu bivate bi asam pekampio, asam pekampio.
Asampakampiyo.
Yes, pio, not pio, short
Ah, Kampiyo.
Yes, Campio. Yes.
Yatinda kilo pataving sitosia chatubbi vatebi asampakampio tatupamang sapurisang vadami yo Arya Saccani avicca passati idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu.
Very good, sister. No comments. Very good.
Thank
Yatinda kilo pataving sito siya chatumbi vatebi asampakampiyo tatu pamang sapuri sang vadami yo Arya Saccani avecha pasati idang bisangge ratanang apitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Okay, well, that was very good. Except for your long I again. Yatinda kilo.
Yatinda kilo.
Yes, and then you go to your line number 5. Idang pisangge ratanang panitang panitang.
Idang bisangge ratanang panitang.
Perfect. Yes, yes. You forgot your long I. Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Otherwise, it
Brother.
was very good. Okay.
Okay.
Yatinda kilo pataving sito visia chatu bivate bi asang pekangpio tatu pemang sapurisang vadami yo Arya Saccani abeca passati idam pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subvati soto.
Okay, again good. But again, second line, Pio is short I, Asam pekampio.
Asam pekampio.
Yes, the next line we have Tatu pemangsa purisang vadami, vadami.
Oh. Tatu pamang sapurisang vadami.
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 Perfect, sister, yes. And then again, we have got Yo Arya Saccani Avecca Passati.
Yo Arya Asani Avecha Passati.
Okay, Yo Arya Satchani.
Yo Arya Satchani Avecha Passati.
Yes, Satchani, Satcha is truth. By this truth, your noble truth. Yo Arya Satchani.
Yo Arya Satchani.
Perfect. Yes. You got it right. Satchani Avecca Passati.
Ya. Idam pisangge ratanang patnitang.
Okay, good. Okay, panitang. Don't forget your long I. Okay, good stuff.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Yatinda kilo patavim sitosya chatubi vatebi asampa kampiyo tatu pamang sapurisam vadami yo arya sachani avecha passati idangpi sangeratanang panitang etena sachena suwati hotu.
Okay, that was also very good, sister. Except again here, we forgot your long I. Yatinda kilo.
Yatin,
First line,
yatinda kilo
pataving sito
tu
siya.
Okay. The long I.
Yeah. Can you try that?
Yatinda kilo patav.
Kilo. Mas long I. Yatinda kilo.
Yatinda kilo
Perfect.
patavim
Yes.
ito
Go
siya.
short A. You go short A, yatinda. Okay, perfect. Then kilo. Then you get the
Kilo.
rhythm right lah. Yatinda kilo. Then below you got chatupi vatebi asampekampiyo. Vatebi asampekampiyo. Piyo is short I.
Asampa kampiyo.
Vatebi asampekampiyo.
Watebi asampa kampiyo.
Yes, so you like, okay, asampekampiyo. Piyo, sorry, piyo short I, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Okay, chatubi vatebi asampekampiyo.
Chatubi vatebi asampa kampiyo.
Yes. Okay, go that way. Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay, that's all. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
Number 7, Sister Vijay, please.
Yatinda kilo patavim sito siya chatubi vatebi asampa kampiyo tatu pamam sapurisam vadami yo arya satchani avicca passati idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena sachena suwati hotu.
Okay, very good, Sita. Again, here the last one is sitosia. Yes, and then the next line, asampekampiyo. Yes. And then sapurisang vadami.
Vadami.
Yes, short A, long A, short I. Vadami. Yeah. Okay. You want to try? Okay, go ahead. Tatupamang sapurisang vadami.
Satu pamang Sapurisam Vandami.
Vadami.
Vadami.
Yes, Vadami, not Vandami, Vadami. Okay, here, yes, what it says is just as a firm post sunk in the earth cannot be shaken by the four winds, so too I declare him to be a righteous person who thoroughly comprehends the noble truth. Verily, the Sangha is this precious jewel. By this truth may there be happiness. Here again, the Buddha says, just as a strong post. This is a simile, because in the good old days, even today we have when we reach a town, they got a big post that says there's Malacca Tengah, you come to Malacca already. So in the good old days, during the time of the Buddha, the villagers are all also like that. They will bury a very firm post in the ground, and then they will carve the name of the village on the board. Okay, so that is a firm post. And this post is very firm. It will not be shaken by the four winds. That means they cannot be shaken by, even if they are happy and the four winds are, you can interpret like that also. They're like 8 vicissitudes in life. So these are the 4 positive vicissitudes in life. If you're happy, you also behave normal, correct? Even if they are praised by people, they are also feeling normal. So these are the 4 winds. Your happiness, people praise you, and then what else you got? Happiness, sadness, praise, blame. Then what else you got, Sita Sumitra? We have 4 winds. Pleasure. Okay, even people give you a lot of pleasure also, you also feel normal. You are not shaken by these 4 winds. And the last wind is what, Sister Susie?
Gain and loss. Gain and loss.
Gain.
Gain and loss.
Gain. So even if you gain anything, you don't kanchong also, So these are the people who cannot be shaken by these 4 winds of gain, of happiness, of pleasure. I always miss when I go so fast. Okay, so these are the 4 winds. You cannot shake them. Okay, in short, also the 8 vicissitudes in life cannot shake them. They are always very firm. If you say, oh, you win a lottery, they also behave normal. So you say, oh yeah, I got good news for you, they also remain normal. Okay, so these 4 winds cannot shake them. And these are the people. Why? Because they have understood thoroughly. They have comprehended. You see there? Declare him to be righteous person who thoroughly comprehends the noble truth. The noble truth there that I've said you know, Arya Satchani. You see, when you see the word Arya, it's called noble. Satchani, Satcha. Satcha is truth. Okay, noble truth. So if you have comprehended the 4 noble truths, you are already an Arahant. You cannot be shaken by these 4 winds. Don't worry. People cannot jack you also. They jack you, you also will do the same thing. They scold you, you also will be the same thing. You are not shaken by these 8 vicissitudes in life. Okay? So that is the meaning. So the Buddha said the Sangha, the members of the Sangha are people who have already understood the 4 noble truths. Not normal Sangha. These are the Arya Sangha. They have actually realized that not only know, we also know the 4 noble truths, but we have not realized the 4 noble truths. Correct? We are still clinging to a lot of things. Correct? We are still shaken by the 4 winds. Correct? Tomorrow, if I win a lottery of $1 million, you can see me jumping off my chair because I kanchong my win. Correct? So these are the people who will not kanchong anymore. Because why? They don't gamble. What? They won't buy lottery. They won't win. Correct? So for them, life is just soon. And then they are actually, we have described earlier, the mind is firm like the 4 posts. Meaning these 4 winds, sometimes they describe our mind like that. You see, they will draw a post there, then one tiger pulling the post in one direction, the snake in another direction, and then another wild animal maybe in another direction. So your post is being pulled by all these directions, but our mind is being pulled by this kind of passion. There's no choice. We are human, you know. Our mind is always been distracted by this passion. But if you have understood, thoroughly realized the Four Noble Truth, then your mind, all this is now like a firm. Your mind becomes very firm. It's just like the post where the tiger pull one side, it will not collapse. Even you put a lion on the other side, pulling doesn't collapse. So you will see the photograph, a picture of the post with 4 wild animals pulling. That is actually for you to realize your mind. Your mind must be like that, must be very firm. Don't be distracted. Correct? And how to understand this is to comprehend the Four Noble Truths, is to fully realize the Four Noble Truths. Then your mind is like that. And you are an Arahant already. That means you're experiencing Nibbana in this life. We can experience Nibbana in this life. You know, in Buddhism, we no need to die. No need to die to experience Nibbana. You know, want to go to Nibbana, or must die first now. Yes. Some people say, yes, you must die first to go to heaven. Now we agree. But to experience Nibbana, you don't have to die first. You can cultivate your mind and make sure you are free from greed, hatred, and delusion, whereby your mind is firm and not shaken by the four winds. That is Nibbana. You cannot be shaken by the 8 vicissitudes in life anymore. Okay? Okay, any questions? Otherwise, you move on to stanza number 9. I'm just briefly covering only, but if you want to go into detail, you can ask me later. We have time, we can talk a bit more in detail. What do you mean by understanding the Four Noble Truths? You know, what do you mean by comprehending the Four Noble Truths? Yep. Okay, go to number 9. Yes, stanza number, okay. Ye Arya Satcha. Oh yeah, go slowly first. Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambhira Panyena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Busappamatta Nate Bhavang Attamang Adiyanti Idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu. Okay. Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambhira Panyena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Busappamatta Nate Bhavang Attamang Adiyanti Idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu. Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambhira Panyena Sudesitani Kinchapite honti busappamatta nate bhavang attamang adiyanti idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena satchena suvatti hotu. Okay, sister?
Ye Arya Satchani Vibhavayanti Gambhira Panina Sudesitani Kinchapite honti busappamatta nate bhavam attamang adiyanti idampe sangye ratanang panitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Okay, that was close, sister. That was good. You forgot your long A. Third line. You forgot your long A. Third line. Kinchapite honti busappamatta. Kinchapi.
Kinchapi te honti busappamatta.
Yes. And then another long A here. Nate bawang attamang adiyanti.
Nate bhavam attamang adiyanti.
Yes, yes. Now these two long A's you forgot. Okay. Otherwise, it was good. That was very good.
Okay, thank you.
Ye Ariya Sachani Vivavayanti Gambira Panena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Pusappamata Nete Bawang Atamang Adiyanti Idampi Sangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suvati Hotu.
Oh, that was very good, Sita. Very good. Except
you.
one small little word here. Matta. Kincapite honti busappamata.
Kincapite Honti Busappamata.
Matta, no mata.
Matta.
Yes. We tend to drag the A lah when we have got double consonant of T. We
Okay.
tend to drag. Actually, it's wrong. We should matta, not mata. Okay.
Matta. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Yes. Double consonant. Okay.
Ye Ariya Sachani Vibhavayanti Gambira Panyena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Busappamatta Nete Bawang Attamang Adiyanti Idang Pisangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suvati Hotu.
Okay, very good, Sita. Except for the word NA, fourth line. NA is no. Is no. Yes. Nate bawang. Short A. Yes. Nate bawang attamang adiyanti. Yep. No. NA is no. That means no lah. Okay.
Okay.
Ye Ari Sachani Vibhavayanti Gambira Panena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Sappamatta Nete Bawang Attamang Adiyanti Idang Bisangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Subati Hotu.
Very good, brother. Very good. Okay, except for line number 2, let's focus on line number 2 and number 3.
Okay.
Gambira, long I. Gambira panyena sudesitani.
Gambira Panyena Sudesitani.
Yes, Gambira.
Gambira
Panyena.
Panyena.
Yes. So Gambira panyena sudesitani.
Gambira Panyena Sudesitani.
Excellent, brother. So below that, another line. Kincapite honti busappamatta. Kincapi. Long A. Kincapite.
Kinchapite.
Capi. Long A. Kincapite honti.
Kinchapite Honti.
Busappamatta.
Usappamatta.
Yes. Don't forget your long A's and your long I's. Yeah. Okay, well done, brother.
Thank you.
Ye Ariya Sachani Vibhavayanti Gambira Pannena Sudesitani Kincapite Honti Busappamatta Nyete Bawang tamang adiyati. Idampi sangge ratanang panitang. Etena saccena supati hotu.
Okay, Sita, let's focus on line number 4. Nete bawang atamang adiyanti.
Yete bawang atamang adiyati.
Okay, nete bawang.
Nete bang
No,
nete
and A is nete bawang.
nete bawang
Te.
and A is na
Yes, yes.
nete bawang
Right, yeah. Nete bawang,
nete bawang
Okay, nete bawang atamang adiyanti.
nete bawang
Nete,
atamang
nete bawang.
nete bawang
Okay, you practice short A only,
ne
Okay. Yeah, yes, correct. And then the next line, your pani tang, don't forget long I there, pani tang.
panitang
Perfect, yes.
panitang
Yes, you have to focus on the long I and focus on the short A, nete.
na
Nete bawang,
nete ne
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Practice, well done, Sita.
Ye Arya Sachani Vibhavayanti Gambira Panyena Sudesitani Kinchapite Honti Pusapa Matta Nete Bawang Atamang Ariyanti Idangpi Sanghe Rattanang Panitang Etena Satchena Suvatti Hotu.
That was very melodious, very good, Sita. You got a very good chanting voice, Okay, now focus on the line number 3. Kinchapi te honti. Kinchapi.
Kinchapi te honti.
Yes. Okay, then below that again we have nete bawang.
Nete bawang.
Not ne, and
On.
yeah, is short A is so and A is te bawang, yeah. Yes.
Nete bawang
Perfect.
atamang adiyanti.
Yes, perfect. Nete bawang atamang. Okay, very good, sister. That was very good,
Nete bawang. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
kinchapi and nete bawang. Long A. Next one is short A. Okay, good.
Nete bawang. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Ye Arya Sachani Vibhavayanti Gambira Panina Sudesitani Kinchapite Hoti Pusabbaman Matta Nete Bawang Atanang Adiyanti Idampi Sanghe Ratanang Panitam Etena Satchena Suvatti Hotu.
Very good, sister. Only focus on line number 3. Is kinchapi. Don't forget long A. Kinchapi te honti busappa mata.
Kinchapi te hoti pusappa mata. Matta.
Yes, excellent, sister. Very good. That line only, you focus on that. Very good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that one says, those who comprehend clearly the noble truth. You see, the Buddha is actually the gist of the Buddha's teaching is the Four Noble Truths. Not basic, don't use the word basic teaching is one. No, the gist of the teaching is Four Noble Truths. Okay, it's all around the Four Noble Truths. Buddhism is all around Four Noble Truths. how to comprehend the Four Noble Truths. Many ways lah. The Buddha taught you on no ego. Buddha taught you on no self. Taught you on Paticca Samuppada. All for you to realize what? To realize the Four Noble Truths. The cause of this suffering is the attachment. That's all. So because of this attachment, the Buddha elaborated in many, many ways for us to realize this attachment. But we still cannot lah. We still want to attach to ourselves, attach to our money, attach to everything lah. Attach to sensual pleasures. That's this. But never mind. We will try lah, So those who comprehend clearly the Noble Truth, well taught by him who has absolute knowledge. The Buddha is called a Samma Sambuddha because he has absolute knowledge of everything. Okay? So those who comprehend clearly the Noble Truth, well taught by him who has absolute knowledge, do not undergo an 8th birth. What does that mean? That means these people won't be Sotapanna. Sotapanna means you got 7 births or 8 births. You won't go through that anymore. Once you have understood, clearly comprehend the Noble Truth, you do not undergo an 8th birth. No matter how exceeding heedless they may be, you will not, because you are already an Arahant. Okay? So if you have comprehended the Noble Truth, the Buddha says you got no more 8th birth or the next immediate birth, whatever, no more birth. That means you are already an Arahant. You have attained Nibbana. Okay? So that is what the Buddha is saying. Those who comprehend clearly the Noble Truth, well taught by him who has absolute knowledge, do not undergo an 8th birth. That means you will not be reborn again. This 8th birth more for Sotapanna kind of level. No matter how exceeding heedless they may be, verily the Sangha is this precious jewel. By this truth, may there be happiness. Okay? So that is what the Buddha is saying. All focusing, you see, so many stanzas, all focusing on realization of the Four Noble Truths. Okay, any questions? Okay, we move on. Saha vasta dasana sampadaya tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakkaya ditti vicikiccitanca silabbatang vapi yadatti kinci catuhapayehi ca vippamutto cacavitanani ababbo katung idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu. Okay, I shall go through again. Saha vassa dasana sampadaya. Okay, straightforward. The words are straightforward. Tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti. Also quite straightforward. Okay, here is the tongue twister that's coming in. The 3rd and the 4th line. Sakkaya ditti vicikiccitanca. Okay. Silabbatang vapi yadatti kinci catuhapayehi ca vippamutto cacavitanani ababbo katung idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvatti hotu. Saha vassa dasana sampadaya tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakkaya ditti vicikiccitanca silabbatang vapi yadatti kinci catuhapayehi ca vippamutto cacavitanani ababbo katung idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu. Okay, sister.
Taha vasa dasa sampadaya. Tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti. Sakaya ditti vici kici tang cha. Sila batang vapi yaditti kinci. Jatu hepayehi cha vipamuto. Cha chabi Hanani ababo katum idampe sangge ratanang panitang etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, very good shot, sister. Okay, we try again, sister. First line. Sahavasa dasana sampadaya.
Sahavasa dasana sampadaya.
Tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti.
Tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti.
Sakaya ditti vicikiccitanca.
Kaya titi vici kicit dan
Okay, correct. You're right. Vicikicci.
vici kicit tang ce
Perfect, yes. Silap petang.
sila batang
Vapi yadati kinci.
vapi yadati kinci.
Here comes another tongue twister now. Chatuhapa yehi ca vipamutto.
Chatu hepayehi ca vipamutto.
Perfect. Yeah, okay. Come another one. Okay, you join this one. Chachabi.
Cacabi
Tanani.
tanani
Ababbo katung.
ababbo katum.
Yes. So okay, so then the last two lines you're very good already. So remember, you join this word lah, chachabi. Put a dash there, can chachabi tanani ababbo katung. Yep.
Cacabi tanani ababo katum.
Yes, very good, sister. Okay.
Sahavasa dasana sampadaya tayasu dhamma jahita bhavanti sakaya ditti vici kicitang ce silapetang vapi yadanti kinci jatuhapayehi ca vipamutto Cacabi tanani abebo katung idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, very good shot, sister. Okay, second line, you forgot this word, jahita bhavanti. Second line, the last two words, jahita. Short A, short I, long A. Jahita bhavanti.
Jahita bhavanti.
Yes, then we come to the tongue twister. Sakaya ditti. Vicikiccitanca. Silap petang, long I there. Silap petang. Vapi yadati kinci. Perfect. Chatuhapa yehi ca. Vipamutto. Okay, here again, now we join the chachabi. Cacabitanani.
Cacabitanani.
Perfect, sister. Yes. Abhabokatung.
Ababokatung.
Yes, excellent, sister. Very good. Huh? Okay.
Thank you.
Sahawassadasana sampadaya taya sudammajahita bhavanti sakkaya ditti vichikincitancha silabattang vapi yadatti kinci chatuhapayehi ca vipamutto Cacabitanani ababokatong idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suwatti hotu.
Okay, sister. We go to line number 2. Tayasu Dhamma. Don't forget Dhamma, not Dhamma here. Dhamma Jahita Bhavanti.
Tayassu dhamma jahita bhavanti.
Okay, then the next line. Sakkaya Ditti Vichikichi.
Sakkaya ditti vichikincitancha.
Okay, well done. Next one. Silabbatang.
Silabatang
Vapi Adatti Kinci.
wapi yadatti kinci.
Chatuhapayehi ca.
Chatuhapayehi ca.
Chatuhapayehi ca.
Chatuhapayehi ca.
Vipamutto.
Vipamutto.
Okay, here. Cacabitanani.
Cacabitanani
Perfect, sister. Yes. Ababokatung.
ababbokatung.
Yes, excellent, sister. Okay.
Sahavasa sampadaya tasya sudama jahita bhavanti sakaya ditti vichiki chitancha silapatang vapi yatati ginchi chatu hipayehi ca vipamuttu cacabitanani ababbokatung itang pisangge ratanang patitang etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, brother. Well done. So we'll come back to line number 4. Huh?
Okay.
Silap betang silap long I. Silap betang vapi adati kinci.
Silapatang vapi yatati kinci
Chatuhapayehi ca.
Chatuhapayehi ca
Vipamutto.
vipamuttu
Cacabitanani ababbokatung.
cacabitanani abibbokatung
Ababbokatung.
ababbokatung.
Yes, yes. Well done, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Sahavasa dasana sappedaya taya sudamma sahita bhavati sakaya ditti vicikicitang ca silabbatang vapi yadati kinci satu Sapayehi ca vipamuto cacabitanani ababukatong idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suppati hotu.
Okay, very good, Sita. Except maybe we focus on your 2, 4, 5, the fifth line. Chatuhapayehi ca
Catuhapayehi ca
vipamutto.
vipamuto.
Yes, that line only. You practice. Chatuhapayehi ca vipamutto.
Catuhapayehi ca vipamuto.
Yes, very good, Sita. Good. Okay. So we go to number 6.
Thank you, brother.
Sahawasa dasana sampadayo tayasu damajahita bhavanti sakaya diti vichikichitancha silabatam vapiyadati kinchi chatuhepayehi cha vipamuto cacabitanani ababukatong idangpi sanggerattanang panitang itena saccena suwati hotu.
Okay, very good, Sita. We go to the fourth line.
Fourth line.
Silap betang vapi. Vapi adati kinci.
Sila batang vapi yadati kinci.
Very good. Then the next line. Chatuhapayehi ca
Chatuhapayehi cha
vipamutto.
vipamuto.
Yes, that's all. Focus on that.
Okay.
Of course, you can also continue with ababo, katung. Never mind. Focus on this. Good enough. Silap betang vapi adati kinci. Chatuhapayehi ca vipamutto. Yep.
Okay. Sila batang vapi yadati kinci. Chatuhapayehi cha vipamuto.
Yes, very good. Hapayehi ca. Okay, well done, Sita. Very good.
Vipamuto. Okay, thank you.
Sister,
Sahawasa desana sampadaya tayasu damang jahita bhavanti sakaya diti vichikicitang ca silapatam wapi yadati kinci Apapehi ca vipamuto cacabi tatani abibogatum idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena saccena suwati hotu.
Okay, well done, Sita. We go to standard number 1. Line number 1. Sahavasta dasana sampadaya.
Sahawasa dasana sampadaya.
Perfect, yes. And then we go to line number 2, 4, 6, okay? Cacabitanani ababbo katung. Line number 6, yeah. Cacabitanani.
Cacabitanani
Ababbo.
ababogatum.
Perfect, Siddha. Yes, very good. Okay, so all of you all actually have the very good flair, but do join us in I don't think I can finish this tonight, so I will probably use the next week to be the final for this session, and then I will start again with the polyphonetics in April for the third batch. And you all are welcome to join and practice more together with us. Okay, so here the stanza says, together with his attainment, together with this attainment of insight. Attainment of insight means he can see. Okay lah, some people will say it's vipassana meditation. There's insight. There is wisdom lah. Insight means wisdom. So together with this attainment of wisdom, 3 qualities have been abandoned. The 3 qualities: believe in self, believe in self, doubt, and dependence on wrong rites and rituals. Okay, meaning we now realize that this self of ours is not permanent. Okay, believe in self. That this self, I think I make it easy, is to realize that it's not permanent. This self is not you. Sometimes they say like that lah, because you cannot control this body from aging. So this body is not you. This body want to fall sick, it will fall sick. You don't need to get your permission to fall sick. You cannot tell this body, hey, I got meeting tomorrow, don't fall sick tomorrow. If the body wants to fall sick tomorrow, it falls sick tomorrow. So all these kind of things people put together and say that this body is not you. You don't control this body, so don't worry. This body is not self. Okay? Okay, I will not go into detail of this lah. So, and then you have, the second one is doubt. Doubt, meaning you have firm belief in the Buddha, firm belief in the Dhamma, and also belief in the Sangha. You have no doubt in them anymore. You have full faith in the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Okay, so you believe that this body is not you anymore. You believe in self, non-self. You believe firmly on the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, and you don't believe or depend on rites and rituals. Like I said, with this chanting, we learn is to understand the teachings of the Buddha, not as a ritual. And any other rituals in the we can do the rituals. I always advocate for Chinese culture. We must maintain our Chinese culture. There is nothing wrong with our Chinese culture. Most of these cultural things all have positive impact, positive values. There's nothing wrong to practice the Chinese culture. But remember, this practice of Chinese culture does not lead you to liberation. It only maybe leads you to get more merits and you get a better rebirth, but it is not for your liberation. That's all. If you can understand this, you don't discard your culture. We can still go and practice our Chinese culture. There's nothing wrong. Most of these cultural practices bring positive values onto us. So there is nothing wrong in practicing our culture. Don't say that I'm a Theravada Buddhist, I don't practice anymore all the Chinese culture. No more Cheng Beng, no more Hungry Ghost Festival, no more everything lah. The Buddha never said throw your culture away lah. The Buddha says practice his teaching. You can use your culture, okay, to make it beautiful lah. That's all lah. Don't believe in throwing. So here it says you believe in self. You believe that this self is not you. You have no more doubt in the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, and you are not dependent on these rites and rituals for your liberation. That is important. Okay? So you are free from this. If you have these firm 3 beliefs, if you have acquired these 3 qualities, you are a Sotapanna, meaning you will not be reborn in the 4 woeful state anymore. Okay? And you will not commit these 6 major wrongdoings. Okay? And then wrongdoings are actually 5 of the heinous crimes plus 1 more. What did they put? No, I forgot actually. But actually, okay, people are confused and they always tell me, brother, you say 5 heinous crimes, but here it says 6. These 6 major wrongdoings include 5 of the heinous crimes. Okay? Heinous crimes are different from this. These are the wrongdoings. Sometimes you won't commit this so that you won't go to hell anymore. So verily, the Sangha is the precious jewel. The Buddha says the Sangha are the people who actually have realized this. So that is the meaning of this stanza. So with that, I think we will have a few more stanzas to finish next week before I start with our chapter 3. And then all of you all are welcome to join to practice again if you want to. Because chanting is about practice also, Buddhism is all about practice lah. You practice, it becomes smoother and smoother lah. So also the Buddha's teaching lah. No point, you know the 5 precepts lah, but you must practice lah. Then it becomes smooth, and then you avoid killing voluntarily, you avoid stealing voluntarily, and all those things all must be done voluntarily. That is the Buddha's teaching, and this is called smooth learning lah. This is called practice. Buddha's teaching is not about knowledge. Okay, the Buddha's teaching is never about acquiring knowledge. Don't forget. It is about practicing whatever he teaches you. Put whatever you know to practice. Okay, not about pursuing knowledge. Yeah. So when you know to chant, then pursue this chanting things lah. Like we do on Fridays, we do chanting. We call it the Bojanga service. We dedicate this for the sick people, so we hope that they will recover quickly lah. So we put whatever we know to practice lah. That is the basic purpose of Buddhism lah. Not about knowledge lah. Don't go and pursue, but you don't practice. So what for? It's better. People like us are better lah. We know little, but we practice more lah. Right? Rather than knowing too much lah. Okay. So with that, I think we have concluded. Okay, so anybody has any question before I end?
Brother Tan, I just checked the 6 major wrongdoings. Can I read it out?
Yep.
One is patricide, killing one's own father.
Yes.
Matricide, killing one's own mother.
Right.
Killing an arahat.
Yes.
Injuring a Buddha.
Yes.
Putting disunity in the Buddhist order.
Yes.
And then schism among the monks. That's the 6th one.
No. The Buddhist order is schism already.
Yeah, so they put there causing disunity in the Buddhist order, actions that disrupt the harmony and unity of the Buddhist community, then they still put schism among the monks.
Oh no, that one I think I'm not. I've forgotten about the 6. Actually, some people have forgotten about these. They're confused. They ask me, why do we say 5 heinous crimes when Ratana Sutta says 6 major wrongdoings lah? These are major wrongdoings and not the heinous crime. The 6th one is a major wrongdoing only, not the heinous crime. So schism is heinous crime, correct? The schism is 5 heinous crime, okay? Among which is killing of mother, killing of father, killing of arahant, injuring the Buddha. Okay, injuring the Buddha, and number 5 is causing schism in the Sangha. Okay, if you commit these 5 heinous crimes, there is no ampun lah. Terus, when you die, you will go to hell lah, Havichi hell. Okay, but in this sutta, they say 6 wrongdoings. Include one more extra they put up, but this extra is not heinous crime, This extra will not send you to Havichi hell. Except that you won't commit this lah. That's all it is. The 6th extra is, let me see, I don't remember now, I'll try to recollect for you and then we'll discuss next week. But the one that you say, actually, both are actually schism,
I think, Brother Limpat,
okay. Yeah.
the 6th wrongdoing will be following a teacher who is not teaching the right teaching like the Buddha.
Yes, correct. I think so. Following the wrong teacher. Yes, correct. So this does not mean that you will go to hell. See what I say? There is a difference with these 6 major wrongdoings and the 5 heinous crimes. Correct. That's why I have explained, but I've forgotten what was 6. Yes, following the wrong teacher, maybe. Yes, ignorance lah. So that does not send you to hell immediately, Havichi hell. Correct. These 6 wrongdoings, they say, is you won't commit the 6 wrongdoings because these 6 wrongdoings may send you the 6th one, number 6 lah, to the 4 woeful state lah, but not Havichi hell direct lah. So 5 heinous crime is independent of these 6 wrongdoings. Inclusive lah. The 6 wrongdoing include that plus, I think, yes, following the wrong teacher. Yes. But following the wrong teacher will not send you to Havichi hell. Correct? Unless the teacher teaches you to commit one of the heinous crimes. what sends you to Avicii Hell immediately? No antara baba there lah. No antara baba lah. Immediately you go. That is Devadatta is there. Correct? Ajatasattu is there. Correct? Ajatasattu killed his father. Although they will be reborn as Pachaka Buddhas in future, because of the earlier training and a lot of good work they have done, you know. So, but they still must go to Avicii Hell first, because they killed Ajatasattu killed Bimbisara, King Bimbisara, his father. So he is definitely in hell, in Avicii Hell. And also Devadatta, he injured the Buddha. So he's also straight down to Avicii Hell. But after they have completed this karma has been finished or being exhaustive, then they will be reborn as actually Pachaka Buddhas. The Buddha predicted that they will be reborn as Pachaka Buddha. Yes, the sixth one is right, sister. You're right. Yeah, following the wrong teacher. Yes. Because somebody have asked me before this many years ago, I forgot. Yeah. So I say you must know the difference, lah. You know, this is not. That means what I'm trying to say is, if you follow the wrong teacher, we mustn't be biased, lah. Just because you follow a wrong teaching means you go to hell, lah. You know, that's what they're trying to tell me, lah. You follow a wrong religion, you go to hell straight. No, I don't think so. Right? Yes, you may not get the wisdom, you may not be enlightened, but you may still go to heaven. What if you follow a good teacher, you know, you may still go to heaven. You know, what I'm trying to say is, I'm not biased towards any other teachers, lah. I'm not biased, lah. Unless the teacher teaches you to do the 5 heinous crime, then you go straight to Avicii Hell. That was my view, lah. Okay, Sister Smitra, thank you very much. Yes.
You're
I remember
welcome.
I explained this, but I forgotten what it was all about. I've got, pardon me, I've got a lot of things in my mind, so I always forget what to do for my age. So it's good that I can remember a lot of things also. Okay, so with that, we come to conclusion. If you have any question, you post first, and next week I will come up with some clearer answers. Next week, I think we will finish our chapter 2, then in April, we move on to chapter 3. So, brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, we have spent 1 hour and 45 minutes learning to chant and to understand the Ratana Sutta. And by doing so, during this 1.5 hours or so, our mind was free from greed, free from hatred, free from delusion. Our mind was very focused and steadfast on learning the suttas. And during such time, you will accrue abundance of merits, and these merits we always remember. The Buddha has taught us gratitude. We must dedicate these merits to all our protective devas. And the Buddha, again, in this sutta called Ratana Sutta, the Buddha has instructed all the devas, all the Brahmas, they must protect the humans who bring merits to them, dedicate merits to them every day. So we hope that these devas who have heard the Buddha's teaching will continue to bless us with good health, longevity, success, happiness, prosperity, and above all, wisdom. Wisdom to continue to understand the Buddha's teaching. And again, in gratitude, we must dedicate these merits to our loved ones who are no more with us. We hope that they too will rejoice in these merits, and they will shower unto all of us here the choices, blessings, and protection. However, in the event that if our relatives need these merits to help them in their spiritual well-being, may these merits reach them and help them in their spiritual well-being. And our aspiration, as always, as Buddhists, may we be blessed with the company of the good and the wise always. May we not follow the ways of the foolish. May we be blessed with good friends and good teachers who can guide us along the path of the Dhamma until we reach our final liberation, Nibbana. Ettavata ca amhehi sambatang punya sampadang sabbe deva sabbe satta sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo. Imina punya kamena mame bala samagamo. Satang samagamo hotu yavanip Manapatiya sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.